What's up everyone, John here, and today we're going to be looking at these AirPod clones that a lot of you have been asking me about. But before we check them out, I want to let you know that I will be posting tech deals on a regular basis, so if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're set up to receive all notifications. Alright, so now that you've set up your notifications, let's take a closer look at these earbuds. I think it's a safe bet to say that AirPods are the most popular wireless earbuds out there. So if you're not Apple and you want to make a lot of money selling your wireless earbuds, what should you do? Sell fake AirPods, of course. Now, as much as I love AirPods, I'm not gonna lie, I wish they came in black. I mean, just look at this render, it makes them look a lot more sleeker and even more premium than they already are.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
If you really wanted to, you could get custom painted AirPods, but one, they're super expensive, and two, say goodbye to that warranty if something goes wrong. So with these clones, you can get that black AirPods look for a price that's a lot cheaper than actual AirPods, but the question is it even worth it? The first thing that stood out to me was how good they actually look. The matte black finish gives it that sleek premium look I mentioned earlier, and the fact that they're just about the same size as actual AirPods means they don't look as off like some of those first clones that came out. So in terms of looks, they're actually pretty perfect, but everything else, not so much. While the earbuds may look premium, they definitely don't feel that way. They're a lot lighter than actual AirPods, so you can already feel how cheap they are, and when you play around with the case, you can already tell that the build quality just isn't there. The case feels flimsy, like I could just break it with my hand, and I know this isn't important at all, but when you close the case, it just doesn't sound as good as actual AirPods. Now the main reason why I can't recommend these, even though they look super good and like actual AirPods, is because the most important thing, and I hope that you care about it most, is sound quality. And in terms of sound quality, these just sound horrible. First of all, the audio is super tinny. It's like, even though the earbuds are in your ears, it feels like the music is further out, like the earbuds are here, but when I'm listening to music, it feels like, or it sounds like the earbuds are out here, if that makes sense. The sound was so off-putting that I couldn't listen to it for more than 5 minutes, and it actually started to give me a headache. Now, AirPods are not known for their bass, but after listening to actual AirPods directly after listening to the clones, it felt like I had Beats on. Do people still hate Beats? Overall, I can't recommend these clones, even though they're relatively cheap compared to AirPods at $60, but for $60 you can do a whole lot better. For example, Anker, a pretty popular and reputable company, has wireless headphones for around $60, if not less. I personally haven't checked them out, but now I might, but the reviews look pretty good, and for the price you can't really go wrong. So if you're someone who wants to get these just because they look like AirPods, just don't. Keep your money in the piggy bank, save up, and just buy actual AirPods. Trust me, they're worth it. And lastly, if you just want black AirPods, just be patient and wait, because Apple will eventually have them. Right? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My question for you is, if you were in charge of Apple and decided what color AirPods came out next, what would you choose? Make sure you leave your response down below in the comments, and I look forward to checking them out. As always, if you guys liked the video, make sure you show some love by smashing that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, you can subscribe right over here. Now that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.